Well, hello and welcome to QuipCon. Thanks for stopping by to take a look at the CMA Dish Machine's glass washer. It's an L1X16, as you can see that right there. Got the temperature gauge right there, kind of hard to see because we're outside. The power switch, the drain, and fill and start. And right here's the counter. We're up to 3,027 washes. I've done probably 30 of those, because I've been testing it, running it through its cycle several times to make sure that everything is okay. What we're going to do is we're going to open the door here, and you can see all the steam coming out of there. And I'm going to put some glasses in there. Now the reason I'm putting these glasses in there is not really to wash them, but to give you an idea that the water is going all over the place. We've got an arm up here that spins, you can see that. And it's going to shoot water and fill those glasses, and that's going to prove that everything's working okay. I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to hit the start button, and when I do, we're going to go down real fast because we want to see it pump the detergent in. Okay, now here is the detergent pump. You can see it starting to run. That's going to go through its wash cycle. Its wash cycle is 57 seconds. I know it's kind of an odd time. They could have just picked a minute, but no, they wanted 57 seconds. Maybe that's metric, I don't know. But it's going to go through that. It's going to go through the wash. And then there's going to be a dwell time, which means it's going to kind of drain and flush and do its thing. That lasts about 15 seconds. And then the sanitizer is going to go in, and then the rinse agent will pump through. And then it'll have a rinse cycle, which for some reason they chose 48 seconds, and it'll run through that, and that'll be it. So we'll let it go through this. This is the wash cycle. Not a whole lot to see. It's draining right now. And shortly, there you go. It's the sanitizer. That'll run first. And the rinse agent will run for a short time while the sanitizer's running. There we go. It'll sit for just a couple seconds, and then it's going to go through its rinse cycle. Not a whole lot to see while this is going on. Now let's take a look at the tag. Look at that. That's very nice. It's got the Energy Star rating right there. These are the lines that go into the bottles. I can show you those. Those go into the bottles of detergent. Rinse agent. Could have showed you the back while we were going through that. This is where the electric is hooked in. Now I just have a cord on it for testing, but probably where you're at, the code is going to want you to hardwire it. Electrician would do that. Codes are different everywhere, so I don't really know what your code would be. You'd have to check on that. This is the water line. It's just basically right now it's a standard garden hose hookup. I think actually the person that used this was using it as a catering thing, and they would take it with them, and they would have the hot water hooked to it, and they could just plug it in wherever they wanted and move it around. So it's a great portable unit that way. It's not on wheels. We just have it on a cart here, but it's very easy to move around like that. So I think that's what they were doing with it. All right, we're going to open it up. Get all that water in there. See that move the water around. Everything's wet inside. We got some nice steam coming out. Right, if you have any questions on this unit, you can give us a call. Our phone number is 636-583-8200. And you can go to our website and see some pictures of it all nice and clean. That once again is www.quipcon.com.